Luke. Because, yeah. The Ratchet Strap. The Ratchet Strap is a tool commonly used when transporting crates, cargo, or other crap. There are a few different kinds of Ratchet Strap, but the mechanics are the same. We will show you how to properly utilize these wonderful binding devices. This is Donnie. Say hi, Donnie. Donnie is traveling God knows where. Donnie needs to strap down his stuff. Wait, Cedar Point? That's an amusement park, Donnie. Why do you need a crate? Well, alright then. Let's show Donnie how to strap down his crate so his belongings will arrive home safely. First, obviously the strap needs to... Donnie! Do you want your belongings strewn across some highway? Well, okay then. Pay attention. Hooking the strap. Place the hook on the rail so the hook is facing downward. This way, when there is slack in the line, the hook won't fall away from the rail. That's right, Donnie. Bad things. Now that our hook is strapped on one end, let's toss the strap over to the other side. A safe way to do this is just toss the strap so the heavy ratchet isn't being thrown about. Ooh, that's what we are looking to avoid. Let's try that again, the proper way. Wait, he's missing an eye. How the hell does his eye pop out anyway? Well, fix it. Get the damn eye back in the head. Oh my God. What the hell is that? Truck bed. We're using a truck bed. Get that thing out of here. Alright. Now, tossing the strap. We need to temporarily release the strap from the ratchet. This is done by pulling on the release lever, as seen here. Then the strap slides out. Next, coil the strap so it can easily be tossed over the load. Coil your strap, Donnie. Nicely done. Now, throw that strap and head to the other side. I swear, that's the weirdest walk I've ever seen. Anyway, as you can see, Donnie has the ratchet. Very good, Donnie. That's some sloppy walk, video people. That's better. Alright, let's get it connected to the strap. Hook the ratchet to the trailer. Loop the strap through the central rod on the ratchet, like so. What the hell? What did you do, Donnie? Alright, let's go back to the close-up. Loop the strap under, and then through the center of the rod. Now, if the strap was connected properly, you should be able to hold the end tight while you crank the ratchet to secure the load. Now we need to tie up the excess strap. What? Okay, whatever. There's even a twist in the line, like many recommend having. Easy there, Donnie. I'm sure you didn't do it intentionally. Safe travels, buddy. His eye fell out again. No, we're done. Just letting you know. You can go deal with that weirdo, stupid grin the whole time. I don't